Here I have Renault Captur, and let me show you how to change the sound settings in this car. So basically this is the home screen of the Renault Captur. As you can see, you can now start from the home screen, and now let's choose the apps icon. Those are those icons right here at the top of the screen. And as you can see here, you can choose the settings. So if you scroll down, you should find the gear icon and simply tap settings. Now you've got access to all the settings of this car. And now let me choose the first option, which is the sound. As you can see here, you can adjust the sound. So you can adjust the media volume. You can check out the volume here. You can select the in-call volume. There is also the way to change the ringtone volume. Or you may set up notification volume, navigation volume, system volume beeps and touches. You can completely disable beeps and touches. You can also select the assistant volume. Here you can select the phone ringtone. As you can see, I'm using this one. And you can change it and adjust it. Then you can select the default notification sound. Here we've got a few options. And the default alarm sound. Right now I'm using oxygen, but for example I can use platinum. So that's it. As you can see, those are all sound settings that you can adjust in this car. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.